Rakhil Srivastav, teaching you maths of class 10, chapter 4, quadratic equation. Now you will study about the nature of roots. How will you know what type of the roots you will get in the given question? So first we will see the standard equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. In the quadratic formula there is a, you must know what is the b, what is the c, all the three values you find, then by this you will get the discriminant. Nature of root is depend on b. What is the discriminant? You will get the three type of questions in this for 1 or 2 marks. Nature of root, what type of the root is this? So you must calculate d. Then find the discriminant, 1 mark question. So you will calculate the d and leave it. If your question is nature of root, then you find the nature. If your question is if the real, then also find the root. Then three type of the question: discriminant, nature of root, and find the roots if real. So all the cases you will calculate the d in all the three cases. All the three questions different, but you will calculate the d all based on d. So discriminant is very important. If d is first part, if d is greater than or equal to 0, if the discriminant is greater and equal to 0, then I have told you in the previous also, then it has real root. For real, anything, your question is what type of the root, you will calculate d. If d is giving more than 0 or 0, then you will write it has real root. If real, then there is a two type of real. What is? Two possibilities are not here. If it will be 0, then it will be not greater. If it will be greater, then it will be not 0. If it is d is greater than 0, means then real, then it has real roots. But real roots not only, it has distinct real roots. Distinct means you are getting the two different distinct real roots. In this case, you calculate the question. Distinct real root means there will be a two answer of x. Two different. What will be the roots? Then the roots I have told you in the previous, minus b plus minus under root d square minus 4ac by 2a, which is called Sridharacharya formula. It has two signs plus and minus, means one root will be alpha, it will be minus b plus under root. What value you are getting? Because you are seeing that formula is big, but you will see that only plus sign you use in one or minus sign. Alpha and beta two roots, anyone you can take plus, anyone, and then beta will be minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. But you don't write this. What you are calculating here for d, that value you will write at the place of this. Don't write second time. Second case, if d is equal to 0, means this part will be 0, then repeated root. Then it has repeated real root or equal roots. Real roots, or you can say equal roots, or you can say both are equal, and the roots will be alpha is equal to beta is equal to minus b by 2a. Only what value is here? Minus sign, you write into it. This part will be 0. This very simple. So there is a two things. Second option is what is this? Both you are not getting. So if d is less than 0, means negative, then it has no real root. Then it has no real roots. No real roots. This you will get. It has no real roots. So all these parts you will solve with the help of example. How will you get this? These three things you will say. Sridharacharya formula is this quadratic, which is also called the quadratic formula. So without solving the question, you can check whether my solution is real or not. Whether my solution is real or not. So, if the question is given, find the discriminant. One question is given, very simple. Find the discriminant. Find the discriminant of any question. I am taking from example 2x square minus 4x. 2x square minus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. Find the discriminant. So, what is A? 2. What is B? Minus 4. What is C? 3. So, discriminant is equal to B square minus 4AC. Minus 4 square minus 4 into 2 into 3. 16 minus minus plus. 4 to the 8, 3 is 24. That is minus 8. If your question is find the nature of root, answer is over. Your answer is minus 8. It has no real root. Find the nature of root. The one answer is this. Your question is find discriminant over. Suppose your question is given what type of the find the nature of root, then you do this, and because b is less than 0, it is less than 0, so it has no real root. No real root. These solve. If it is 4 mark question, then also you will finish at this place. Simply. Very simple. Find the nature. Suppose second question is given. Find the nature of root. Nature of root. Root 3x square minus 4 root 3 plus 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. What is A? 4 root 3x. A is equal to root 3, B is equal to minus 4 root 3 and C is equal to minus 2. What is discriminant? B square minus 4AC. Minus 4 root 3 whole square minus 4 into root 3 into minus 2, which is given. Values you put 4 4 is 16, 3 is 48, minus minus plus 4 2 is 8 root 3. Because it is plus, then it must be greater than 0. It must be greater than 0. D is greater than 0, so it has 2 distinct real roots. Real root. Oh. Your answer is over. If your question is also find the root, then you will calculate. So this type of the question you will get. Find the nature, find the discriminant. These are the example. One more example is given in the book. Very simple. One diametrically one point is given. A pole is fixed as a point of boundary of a circular park. One circular park is given. A pole is fixed at this place. It is a question given. AB is the gate. There is a 2 gate of this park, and there is a one pole. AB on the boundary is 7 meter. 13 meter in such that the difference of its distance from the two diametrical opposite fixed gate A and B, the boundary is 7 meter. It is given. Of diameter 13 meter. It is given a diameter 13 meter. Here is a one pole fixed, and the distance of this pole from both the gate. Here is the gate and here is the gate. From both the gate, it's 7 meters. It means, what is the difference? If it is x, then it will be x plus 7. Both, and angle ACB is equal to 90 degree. Why? Because of angle in semicircle. By semicircle, you are getting diameter, then semicircle 90 degree, and you find out the at what distance from the two gates the pole is erected, fixed. So apply Pythagoras. By Pythagoras, AC square plus BC square is equal to AB square. You will put the value x square plus x plus 7 square is equal to 13 square. X square plus x square plus 14x plus 49 minus 169 is equal to 0. So 2x square plus 14x minus 120 is equal to 0. You can get x square plus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. So easily you are getting, there is a what solution you are getting, x square plus 7x minus 60 is equal to 0. So apply the discriminant. What is the a? A is equal to, first you find d. What is the a? 1, b is equal to 7, c is equal to minus 60. So discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. 7 square minus 4 into 1 into minus 60 gives you 49 minus plus 240 gives you 289. It is greater than 0, so it has two real roots. So what is the roots? Minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2. Many times you write and repeat. If you write and repeat many times, then your formula you can learn without learning it separately. 289 you will write, don't put the value ABC here and here 2 into 1. Minus 7 plus minus 17 by 2. Then x is equal to minus 7 plus 17 by 2, that is 10 by 2, 5. X is equal to minus 17 by 2 minus 24 minus 12, which will be reject. It will be reject. So what is the x is 5. So one part, one length 5 meter, another is x plus 7, 5 plus 7, 12 meter. It means the pole will be at a 5 meter distance from first gate, at 12 meters distance of the second gate. Very simply you will get, you are getting here. Thanks, and then we will proceed in next.